students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Unit 1 C Reading Letter to a Friend. Students, before going to the topic, let me ask you a question. What do you see in this picture? Here we see a postcard and inland letter in the picture. We use these to write a letter. Letter is a written, printed message conveyed from one person to another person through a medium. Now, let us see how many types of letters are there. Here, formal, informal. What are formal letters? These are professional and important situations. For example, writing to your manager, requesting or providing information, writing a complaint. Informal letters, non-professional situations. For example, writing to your relatives, writing to your friends, writing to your co-workers. So students, today we are going to go through informal letters. Now coming to our topic in C reading, a letter to a friend. Hyderabad, 12/11/2012. Dear Suresh, this is Ramesh. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. Every day we played together in our garden. Our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princes, warriors and the village boys. Now I am working at Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad, as a computer programmer. I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell, Hyderabad, as a system analyst. You know, city life is quite busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center and come back in the evening with faded faces. We hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting! We work with computers, think like computers and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. I remember how we played gilli danda, hide and seek and kabaddi. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. How happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. I remember how Padmanabhaiah sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. I remember how we went on a picnic to Koil Sagar. There we went boating. Our tour to Srisailam was memorable. Still, I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. There is nothing here. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruits for us. Our aunt brought me a dress for Dashera. How we enjoyed Deepavali! Still I hear the sounds of crackers. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. Where those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters, etc. We miss them. We miss the joy of the family. We miss their company. We are missing many things in this busy life. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. Those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Your loving friend Ramesh. As children, let us see glossary meanings. Hardly, almost no, almost not, almost none. Disgusting, extremely unpleasant and unaccepted. Gilli danda, karra danda, billa gilli in Telugu, a rural sport of India played with a short stick and a long stick. Apartment, a set of rooms for living in, usually built in states. Room, empty space. Unheeded, heard, seen or noticed but then ignored. Appreciated, recognize the good qualities. Caring, feeling that something is important. Moment, time or occasion. As students, let us see the question answers. Answer the following questions. First one. How did Suresh and Ramesh spend their childhood? Answer. Suresh and Ramesh spent their childhood together happily. They played gilli danda, hide and seek and kabaddi. They went for swimming in their local tank every Sunday. Question number 2. Why did Ramesh's family move to the city? Ramesh was educated. He went to the city in search of a job. So, Ramesh's family moved to the city. Question number 3. What change did you observe in Ramesh? Ramesh used to live with his family in his childhood. He enjoyed peaceful life with his friends and family. His world had many people like father, mother, grandparents, cousins, uncles, friends, etc. He was brought up with love and affection. But now he is leading a busy life. Now there is no one except his wife and daughter in his life. He missed everybody. His daughter was brought up in a child care center. He realized he missed the joy of his family and their company. He missed the fairy tales of his grandfather. He missed his real life. Do you think Ramesh is happy in the city? Why? No, I don't think Ramesh is happy in the city because he is leading a very busy life there. He has no time to bring up his child. He missed his real and enjoyable life that he enjoyed in his village with his parents and grandparents. What made Ramesh write to Suresh? Ramesh lived in Hyderabad. He could not meet his friend Suresh when he visited Hyderabad. He felt very sorry for his busy life that did not allow him to meet his childhood friend. He wanted to apologize his friend for this and to remind him of his childhood days spent with him. He wanted to share his feelings with his friend as he could not meet him personally through a letter. This made him write to Suresh. Children, now you have gone through the lesson and you have understood what is a letter, and in the letter type informal letter. Now you are going to have a home assignment. Write a letter to your best friend Shrikant, who is studying in Hyderabad at present, inviting him to your birthday. Include the details of the date, time and venue of the celebration. Students, now coming to the summary. Ramesh and Suresh are friends. Ramesh lives in Hyderabad. Suresh came to Hyderabad on some personal work. He asked Ramesh to meet him at certain place, but Ramesh could not meet him. For this, Ramesh felt sorry and wrote this letter to Suresh. In his letter, firstly, Ramesh apologized Suresh for not meeting him in his visit to Hyderabad. He remembered how they both played and spent their time happily with their families. He told Suresh about his busy and meaningless life. He told Suresh how he spent his time from morning to evening. He felt that his life in the apartment was just like a frog in a well. He reminded Suresh many events of his childhood with him, like playing games, going to swimming pool, doing all the work together in school, going on a picnic, celebrating Dashera and Deepavali, etc. He pitied his daughter, who was always silent and spent all her time playing computer games in a very limited world. He felt that he missed the real world in city life. He felt that he missed everybody and everything in his busy life. Finally, he was happy that he had found time to write to Suresh and share his feelings. Children, hope you have understood the letter writing clearly. Thank you.